Welcome to another video, and today we are going to do something different. We are going to do Thai chicken curry. I know you heard me, so let's go. So these are the ingredients that we are going to work with: coconut milk, stock cube, Thai red curry paste, chicken, of course, chicken breast. We are going to work with garlic and ginger, and of course some sugar. So we are going to put our saucepan, or some person will say skillet, on the hob. We are going to put it on low heat, very low heat, right? So we are going to add some coconut oil to our skillet, or we say saucepan, just for it to heat up a little bit, all right? So it's on low heat. So we are going to add our spices to the pan, all right? So the first spice that we are going to add will be some garlic powder. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. All right. Then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. And if you have the ginger and the garlic, it doesn't matter. You can grate it, you can use it as well. But we are using our spices in powdered form. All right. Then I have some curry. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon as well. Going to add all of those flavors in. Then we are going to add our Thai red curry paste. All right, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this. 1, 2 tablespoons. All right, so we're going to combine all of those flavors, yes, in the pan. I'm going to rub it all in for it to be combined. Remember, the stove will be on low heat, so it won't burn easily. I'm going to rub all of those together until it becomes a paste. Then we are going to add 200 grams of coconut milk. 200 grams of coconut milk. That is what we're going to add to our paste, and then we combine. All right, so we're adding our coconut milk now. It was a little sturdy, but when it goes in the fire, it will melt. All right, so we're adding our coconut milk to our paste that we just made, and then we are going to combine. All right, so we are going to use a wooden spoon. Wooden spoon is very easy to use because it doesn't transfer heat to the container. Yeah, so it's easy for you to use a wooden spoon. It's always best to use a wooden spoon, all right, for safety purpose. All right, so we are combining our milk. Now we are going to add some chili flakes. So the flavors are coming on, and we are going to add the remaining curry, the remaining coconut milk into our paste. So we're just combining those. Make sure everything is mixed properly. So we're mixing them. We don't have any lumps. So we're combining all those flavors together. All of those flavors together. It's good to learn something new. So we're learning this one today, and I hope you try it. All right, so after we combine all of those flavors together, we are going to add our stock cube, and this is actually a chicken stock cube. You can use vegetable, it doesn't matter. So we're adding our stock cube, and the stock cube will give it some more flavor. So you don't have to add any salt or anything to it. Nice and natural. All right, so we're just going to blend all of those flavors together. All right, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and this is brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar, and we are going to combine until it is dissolved. So we are dissolving the sugar into our paste, and then we are going to allow it to boil. When it comes to a boil, you're going to put your washed chicken breast in the chicken, just like that. No season or anything, just like that. It is going to get those nice flavors into it. We're going to stir, and we're going to leave this to cook for 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to leave it to cook for 12 to 15 minutes. And all of those flavors are coming nicely. All right. So we're going to stir it. We're going to leave it. So after we combine and we put all of our diced chicken breast in, you're going to allow it to simmer and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Trust the process. Trust the process. You will be okay. Trust the process. I know for us in the Caribbean, we normally season our chicken, but we're learning something different today. And it's nice to learn different culture. All right? Just trust the process. So we are going to allow it to simmer, as I said, from 12 to 15 minutes, roughly that time. And then we can use, we can test the cooking temperature. If it goes up to 75 degrees, then you know that it's cooked. But we can allow it to cook. It is safe to say that you can do 12 to 15 minutes and then it's done. All right, so you see, if you look at the pot, it's simmering down nicely. Simmering down very good. So the coconut flavor and the aroma of the ginger and the garlic and all those spices are coming together nicely. It's really thick. So all we did was allow it to simmer down. And the color is coming on really nicely. All right, so this is a very simple dish that you can do. And it's healthy as well. So we use a chicken breast, and you know that the chicken breasts have less connective tissue. Yeah. So we're just combining all the flavors together. And you should smell this. It smells so good. So we are learning chicken curry today. In the Caribbean, we say curry chicken, but this one is chicken curry. And let's learn something new. I'm enjoying this. All right. Then we are going to put a little bit of greens, a little bit of herb into it. Right. See, it's coming on really nice. So we're testing it to see if the chicken is cooked. And when you're testing it, make sure it is 75 and over for meat, all right? So I tested it and see that it was good. Just in time to come off. Yeah. Adding some herbs. And then the aroma is coming on really nice. All right. See? Close up. Right? And then we are going to plate it. And then do a taste test. So I actually hope you like this video. It was a good one. I trust the process. And now we are going to plate just a little bit. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you learned something today. And I hope that you try this method. And tell me in the comments, yes, what you think and all the taste was. No secret ingredient. Everything that I've showed you is what I put inside that product. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something today. And this is the final look. Bye.